Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Dear students, welcome to your SST class in Montessori 3. First of all, dear students, let's come to the book page number 13. Open your book page number 13 in your SST book. Let's learn what is our unit number. Our unit number is unit 6. And what is its name? Its name is games. Today we will learn about indoor and outdoor games. Let's read with me. The games that are played inside the house are called indoor games. And the games that are played outside the house are called outdoor games. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, ये आज हमें आइडेंटिफाई करनी है इंडोर गेम्स एंड आउटडोर गेम्स. इंडोर गेम्स कौन सी होती हैं? व्हाट आर इंडोर गेम्स? इंडोर गेम्स वो होती हैं जो हम घर के अंदर खेलते हैं, घर में ही खेलते हैं, वो बाहर नहीं खेली जाती. एंड विच आर द आउटडोर गेम्स, जो घर के बाहर खेलते हैं, वी कॉल्ड इट आउटडोर गेम्स. इंडोर गेम्स जो हम घर में खेलते हैं एंड आउटडोर गेम्स जो हम बाहर खेलते हैं. राइट O फॉर आउटडोर गेम्स एंड I फॉर इंडोर गेम्स in the given boxes. So dear students, identify indoor and outdoor games. Identify different games. Which game is this? Carom board. And which game is this? Cricket. Bat and ball. Cricket. And which game is this? This is Ludo. Which game is this? Ludo. Table tennis. Which game is this? Table tennis. Football. Which game is this? Football. And last game is badminton. This is a badminton. This is your homework.